Converted this string into a list, right? So once I convert it into a list, I can perform all the functions which I have learned in the list topic, right? On this easily. Initially it was not a list, initially it was a string, but when I converted, so let's say my requirement is to convert it into a tuple, so I might use something which can convert into a tuple. If I want to convert into a set, I will use an approach. So in this case, I wanted to remove this, right? So I converted into set. So in the similar fashion, whenever I want to perform a certain type of operation, based on that, I will use these data types to get a output. Okay. So so text dot split, what will it will do? It will convert your input text into list. And then if I want to access this element in, what will I do? So let me ask you a question now. Let me see how much you are remembering. Okay, just commenting this. Words. Okay, you see, words of zero. Words of zero is what? Is in, right?
Yes.
And words of minus one. So can someone answer what is words of minus one?
Of.
Yes. So you are trying. Okay, nice. So what is, let's say, words of three? Zero, one, two, three.
Mm.
See,
We.
it's easy. It's easy.
Mm.
But if I not use this, right? If I not use this, I cannot directly, I mean, directly I cannot use this on text. See, let me. So let's say I'm not using this. I'm commenting this. I'm using here as like this text. Let's see if it can try to give me element. See what is what it is giving. It is giving me T only. Okay, so it's like, I think, zero, one, and this, then this T. So it's very, I mean, I want to perform operations on words, not on individual characters. So it's not easy for me to perform like this. So that's why what I did, I use this function.
Splits.
Yeah, text dot split, and I was able to now I have a flexibility to perform individual operations on individual words. So in the similar sense, we have to think and then proceed with our program. Okay, and then here I used a function which is called as a length to just get the length of it. So okay, yeah. So we can make, so initially let me then okay. So let me do one thing. So this length is of what? This is length of length after converting into set. Okay. Now, but I want, how many characters did I had? Oh, sorry, how many words did I had before converting, when it was a list. So I will use WRD. Words. Sorry. So after converting, okay, when it was a list. So words is a list, right? And unique words is a set. So I need to know how many, what was the actual length, and when I converted into set, what is the length now? Length when it was a list, so it's 12. Length after converting to set, so it's 10. Why it is 10? Because duplicate elements are removed. Okay. So if there is a use case where I need to know the length previously and after the conversion, I can use this approach. Because I understood, I mean, I know how to use a length function. I know how to use sets, and sets as a behavior of only accepting unique values. And I know the flexibility of list, how to work with list. I know how to split the text from a given given sentence. So I can combine all these and use it. Okay. Okay. So this is what set it.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed our session at LWP Labs. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel and contact the number for live classes. The future is now with AI.